Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. In this video, we will learn how can we create a line chart with monthly attrition percentage, which is also connected to slicers. In our last video, we had learned how to create this dashboard and we had calculated monthly attrition count and connected all of this with slicers. In case you want to watch that video, I will leave the link above for you to check it out. Now for monthly attrition percentage, let's see how we can do that. Let's begin. This is the dashboard that we had created last time. Let's create monthly attrition percentage in this dashboard itself. This is a new sheet that I've created for calculations. Come here, come to Power Pivot, Measures, New Measure. Now we will create some measures for our Power Pivot. The first one is voluntary exits. We are taking attrition percentage only on voluntary exits. Equals to calculate, count. We want to count employee where exit type is equals to voluntary. Let's create a pivot table and see if the formula is correct. Insert, pivot table, add this to data model, existing worksheet. Okay. We bring voluntary exits, it's 15. If we see in our dashboard, it was 15. So this calculation is correct. Now let's create a new measure. Power Pivot, new measure. Now to keep the calculation simple, instead of calculating average headcount for every month, we will take headcount in the end of the month. Headcount is equals to calculate, count, employee code, filter, all except our table name, and which are the slicers that we have. We will mention those slicers. This will remove all the filters but continue to keep the slicers for department and grade. The first condition, date of joining should be less than equal to maximum of calendar date. And there are two more conditions that we will check. Whether the exit date is blank or if the exit date is not blank, date should be greater than maximum of calendar date. This has to be a number since this is a head count. Okay. So it's 99. Let's quickly see month-wise how it is reflecting. Date hierarchy in rows. Here in filter. Let's see for 2025. So in January, the head count is 111. In February, it's 111. In March, it's 110. So on and so forth. Let's quickly try and understand the formula once again. Our goal is how many employees were active at the end of every month. How we are calculating is we are taking all employees who have joined before the end of month. If date of joining is less than equal to max of calendar date, then we are considering that employee. If not, the count is not getting considered for that employee. This is the condition that is checking the first criteria. The next criteria that we are checking, there are two criteria in this, whether the employee is still active. If employee is still active, that means the exit date is blank. This is the condition. If the exit date is not empty, That means employee is not active, but we have to check which month did the employee leave. If exit date is greater than the calendar date, then we are considering the employee. If not, then we are excluding the employee. We will create one last measure, which is attrition percentage. This is a simpler one. Equals to divide voluntary exits divided by head count. Both of the measures that we have calculated just now. Okay, close. Let's bring this here. Convert this into percentage. Now instead of head count, we will take attrition percentage. Okay, so let's make the chart from this. Insert, recommended chart. We will do a line chart. Okay. Bring this to our dashboard. I will do some formatting over here to match with the overall dashboard that we have. Let's connect the slicer to our new pivot tables with pivot table 1, pivot table 2. We do it for both the slicers. If I select IT, the chart is updated. If I select sales, the chart is updated. So using these measures, we can create monthly attrition percentage for our dashboard. If you're finding my videos helpful, please like and comment. This motivates me to create more such content. Also, in case you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Bye-bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.